Alright, so we're going to take a look at how to look up a student's CCR portfolio. So I've added all of the homerooms to your courses. What might be easier is going to courses, my courses, and then on the side here, you can go through and you can select high school. Course name is simply homeroom. You also see it listed here too. If you want to do that, that's fine. And then I'm putting in the instructor's last name. So for example, Anderson, search, and it comes up. Underneath members is where you'll get a direct link to all of the students in that homeroom. This should make it a little bit easier to not have to search every single kiddo's name. Once you're under the kiddo's name, you click on it. It'll bring up kind of a profile similar to maybe what you see on Facebook if you utilize that. And then under portfolios, they should have a college and career readiness folder. Obviously, this isn't the most mature example, but when you're looking through these, the hard part is sometimes that they get sort of mixed up with middle school. So as you're looking through the titles, you should see somewhat of a break between 8th grade and 9th grade. And anything that comes after that first 9th grade artifact is high school stuff, because it does put it in the portfolio in order. So just quickly looking at this, the student has 1 artifact, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. He has 15 artifacts, but he only has 1 career plan. So when I come over to this spreadsheet, what's hard with this one, for example, is he's got 12 and 1, I think is what I said. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 7, 11. Sorry. He actually has 14. And he has 2 career plans. Because this step 3 for this year is the career plan. And so what you'll see have happened once I tab over here is this is automatically calculating yes or no. And then tells us if they're compliant with what the state requires. So I'm just going to walk through those steps again with you here. And I'm going to search this a little bit differently than what I just showed you. So I'm going to get these students out of the way done. So if you click on the student name, it should bring you up to their profile. You're going to click portfolios to the left, and then they should have a college and career readiness portfolio. This student is an example of a student who's full-time online and hasn't been with us since 6th grade. So all of these are middle school artifacts. And I can tell that because this is saying that it's 6th grade, and we never did this one at the high school. So this individual, Alvarez Green, has a 0 and a 0. So they are not compliant with either way. If I go in and I look for Fritz, Tristan Fritz, under his portfolio, college and career readiness, he's only ever done it in high school. So he has 1 artifact, 2 artifacts, 3. This is a career plan. 4, 5, 6, career plan. 7, 8, 9, 10 artifacts, and 2 career plans. So he is 10 and 2, and you can see that it's compliant. Okay, last one. This is a student who also is not operating on campus. So you can see here, middle school. If you see things like yes event, that's all middle school. There's 8th grade, so that tells me they're still in middle school. And then in 9th grade, there's a clear, like it just starts right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has nothing that says it's a career plan. So she is going to get a 9. See how that said she's compliant for the number of artifacts? She has 0 career plans. Therefore, she's not compliant overall. Okay? So that's just a short video.